Hi everyone, today we're back in Hope, British Columbia. Last time we were here, we were checking out Rambo filming locations. Today we're on an adventure of a different kind. Hope is home to one of the largest collections of chainsaw carving sculptures in the world. Let's go explore. As you wander through Hope, you'll discover over 80 chainsaw carvings displayed around the town center. Hope's love of chainsaw carvings began when Master Carver Pete Ryan initiated a project that would see Hope become the chainsaw carving capital of Canada. Pete helped bring an international chainsaw carving competition to Hope in 1991, which has returned to the town every 2 years ever since. The event takes place over 4 days in August, drawing local and international wood carvers and about another 2,000 visitors to town. Carvings are done in the Memorial Park so that spectators can watch every stage of the wood's transformation, and events include both decorative and speed carving competitions. Some of the sculptures are auctioned off for private collections, but the majority are kept and displayed right here in town. Some of the past contributions include this alligator carved by Bridget Lockhead at the Hope World Class Chainsaw Carving Competition in 2012. This gnome house carved by Master Carver Pete Ryan at the 2009 competition. And this prospector carved by Master Carver Ken Sheen also at the 2012 competition. Sadly, Pete Ryan passed away in 2021 at the age of 70, but his memory lives on. Many of his pieces can still be seen on display around town, like these detailed benches. This one lets you take a seat and relax with Sasquatch. And this life-size grizzly bear, which he carved for Hope in 1992 and gave the nickname Bart. Many of the carvings center around themes that represent the town of Hope, like the prospector and mule seen on the sign at the town center, the sturgeon and fisherman seen on the Rotary sign, or this carving memorializing RCMP service dog Chip, who was killed in the line of duty while protecting his partner and friend, Constable Doug Lewis. Several of the other carvings highlight Hope's close ties with nature, like these intricately carved mountain goats, this pair of bobcats, or this family of black bears outside the Slumber Lodge. But others focus on themes a bit more supernatural in nature, like this Sasquatch named Harry, who was commissioned by the Hope District Chamber of Commerce for the 2010 Olympic Games and carved by Master Carver Randy Swope. Or this scaly dragon perched atop a high pedestal. But it wouldn't be a visit to Hope without a little bit of Rambo, since this is the town that John Rambo famously destroyed in the 1982 film First Blood. To commemorate the film, the town has erected a life-size chainsaw carving of John Rambo at the intersection where the sets for the sheriff's station and gun shop once stood. The carving was prepared by Ryan Villiers, who made sure that the statue matched Sylvester Stallone's exact dimensions, right down to the circumference of his biceps. The carving proved so popular that during the Rambo First Blood 40th anniversary celebrations in 2022, a second Rambo-themed carving was unveiled, this time of the film's main antagonist, Sheriff William Teasle, who was played by actor Brian Dennehy. If you're looking to explore Hope's chainsaw carvings, be sure to drop by the Visitors Center for a map of the area. And while you're at it, you can pick up a walking tour of the town's Rambo filming locations. And I'll also add a link in the description of an online map created by YouTube channel Home or Roam. So remember to keep exploring, and until next time, it's time to exit through the gift shop.